Hi all, today's video is on area chart and stacked area chart. So let's head to PowerBi desktop. An area chart is basically an extension of line chart. It is used to show trend over a period of time. We can use area chart to show an overall trend and not just individual values. So let's head to creating our area chart. Go to visualizations pane and select the area chart icon. The icon is similar to an overlapping of mountains. We drag the order date to x-axis. For values, you can select sales, profit or quantity. I'm choosing sales and then drag it to y-axis. For the data series, we are choosing segment and we drag it to legends. So our basic area chart is ready. We head over to the formatting section, edit the legend and change the position to bottom center. Increase the text size and then under the line section, this particular section will help you differentiate the different segments from one another. I'll quickly show for how it is done for a consumer. Select consumer and then in the line style we select as dashed. Now you can see the line style has been changed to dashed. You can edit the colors from this particular section. Now we go to data labels and enable it. To change the font size, we go to values and then increase the font size. Now we head over to General tab and edit the title. A suitable title will always help your audience to understand what information you want to convey through your visual. Increase the font size. And then last but not the least is visual border. So our area chart is ready, and to quickly compare it with a line chart, let me create a line chart as well. So as you can see, it's almost similar to line chart, and the difference between them is the area beneath the line charts is filled with colors for an area chart. Although from the line chart we can infer that consumer has highest sales followed by corporate and home office, but with an area chart it looks more prominent when the area beneath the line gets filled with respective colors. So that's our area chart. Let's head over to creating a stacked area chart. We go to visualizations pane, select the stacked area chart icon. It is right next to the area chart icon. Drag the order date to x-axis, sales to y-axis and segments to legends. It's almost similar to what we did for area chart. And to not waste time, I'll quickly use the same formatting we applied for area chart. Click on the area chart and click on format painter. Go to stacked area chart and then click on it. So now the same formatting has been applied to stacked area chart. So that was very quick. Now I would like to highlight an important point as we compare both area chart and stacked area chart. I've already prepared it. So one thing I would like to highlight is the position of the segments that we chose. Consumer, which was the highest, is at the top, followed by corporate and then home office. But that is opposite in case of a stacked area chart. Consumer is at the bottom, and with on top of it is our corporate, and on top of it we have home office. In area chart, the entire area is filled till bottom axis, that is the x-axis. But that's not the case with stacked area chart. It is not filled except for the first, our highest sales, that is consumer. I hope you have understood the difference between an area and a stacked area chart. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed the video.